What's the big thing in the way of you getting the business results that you want? What is the bottleneck right in front of you that's getting in your way? Business is literally a series of solving challenges. And the bigger our businesses grow, the more challenges we have. The journey never ends, the problems never stop coming, and they get bigger. And if you've got bottlenecks in your business, it's a good sign because it means that your business is growing. But what we need to do is solve those bottlenecks so that you can smash through those and get to your next level of growth. So let's unpack it a little bit. What are the bottlenecks for you that are stopping you getting to the next level? And the place to start looking for what those bottlenecks are is, where are you spending a lot of your time but not getting much results? Where are you getting most frustrated in your business? And it's pretty much guaranteed that that's where your bottlenecks will be. So is it around marketing? You've got to a certain size in your business and you know that you should be marketing more, but you kind of go, I don't really know what to do. I don't have the money. I don't want to hire a marketing agency. What do I do? Side note, marketing for a small recruitment agency should not cost very much at all. And if you know what you're doing, it won't, and you'll get great results. So is it marketing? Is it finance? Do you really understand your cash position? Could I say to you, how many months, or maybe it's years if you're lucky, until your cash runs out? Do you know that? Are you on top of your cash position, or are you always worried about paying the wages or paying yourself if you're a solopreneur the next month? Do you know, is there an issue around that? Is it around leadership? Do you have a team but you don't kind of feel like they're performing as well as they should be? Is there something that you need to learn there to do that better? Are there operating systems that need to go in to manage that better? A big one I often see is agencies get to a certain point and they know that they need to be delegating, but it's really, really hard. They want to hang on really tight. We know, the stats are in, we know that if you trade time for money, actually a better way to say that, if you buy back your time, if you pay somebody else to do the things that are outside your skill set or below your pay grade, you will actually grow faster. And I'm not saying you have to let everything go all at once. I understand that that's not possible. But where you can start to delegate and release, it'll make you feel amazing, and it'll start to build that muscle of delegating. So that could be something else. Often I do see that that's a bottleneck for people, that everything's, their thumbprint has to be on everything. So that could be something else. Another bottleneck for you might be that you just can't get enough clients, or you can't get enough of the right candidates. Okay, great. Well, we know that. Let's unpack it, find out, explore it in your business. If you can't figure it out, get some help. There's an answer. Other agencies out there are being successful. We hear this sort of catch cry all the time. There's no candidates. There are. If you don't have candidates, it's just because in your business, you don't have the right system to get those people through your door at the moment. And that's the good news, because we can change that. Perhaps it's around tech. There's so much tech out there that you should be leveraging it more, and you absolutely should be, but you're not sure what to do first. Okay, so we take that project as a bottleneck and let's uncover that, take it seriously instead of trying to squeeze it in between everything else that you're doing. Put it as a project, have a goal around it that you want. Maybe it's to have your tech system, have chosen the right tech and have them up and running within the next 3 months. Maybe that's a goal for your business. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It's just another challenge in your business. They're all possible to overcome. And it may be that you need some training on it. And maybe that you just need some time to sit back and, have a cup of coffee, glass of wine if it's a big problem, have a drink, have a sit down, think about the problem, unpack it, create a project around it to solve it. Or maybe you need, as I said, maybe you need some training around it. Maybe you just need an accountability partner to keep you on track. Whatever it is, don't let those bottlenecks stop you, because they will, and they'll suck up a ton of your time. So identify your bottleneck, think about how you're going to go about solving it. What resources do you need to help you do it? Solve it, and then move on, get your business growing in the right direction until you hit your next bottleneck, which is good. We always want to have bottlenecks. If you don't have bottlenecks, you don't have a business. Keep smashing through those, use that process. And if you use that process for identifying and unpacking and dealing with your bottlenecks, you'll feel a lot more in control of your business, and your results will show that.